Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my YouTube thumbnails. First off, I go here and it makes it easy if I like one of these. I think I'm going to use this one that has the Victory Royale on it. And so we're just going to right click and save image. I'm just going to put it right here and then because I'll delete it later. If I don't like one of these, I will just go through and go to the part of the video that I do want. So it could be maybe like right here or anywhere in there, and I will screenshot that to use instead. So since I saved that, I'm actually going to go over to Canva. I use canva.com. It's free as long as you don't want the pro package, but for me the regular works just fine. Okay, so when I'm ready, I'll go over to click create a design, type YouTube and click thumbnail, which has the right dimensions for the thumbnail. First, there's all these templates. I'm actually going to choose this one today. So what you're going to do is click on the image that it automatically puts in there and detach it and then just delete it. Then I'm going to go over to uploads, upload media, and then device and click what I want to upload, what picture I want, which was just what I just saved from YouTube, which I already uploaded. So we're just going to put that in there, set image as the background, and then I might detach it and just kind of see how it goes, because there I want the Victory Royale sign to show, so I'm gonna move it out, just adjust it and then send to the back. You might want to move it a little bit over more,
or just move these down, just work with it. Move this over, down,
about there. And so then I'm just gonna put whatever I want. I don't know if I would. For the most part, if you guys look back at a lot of my Fortnite videos, I use Let's Go a lot. I'm just moving this over to clear out that blank space that was there. I use Let's Go a lot, so probably gonna just put, let's put getting a dub. Okay, it doesn't fit how I want it, so let's just put dubs. Center it, and then let's put Let's Go, the classic. And then to make it fit, I'm going to lower the size a little bit.
Let's try 90, 85. I'm just going to adjust this until I get the size I want.
Okay, I adjusted it down to 75 and it fits good. And then I'm just going to put this. Let's put featuring Cammy, because she just started streaming. If you guys didn't know, if you didn't read the description last week's video, be sure to follow her. I'll put it down in the description again. This week, I'm just going to put featuring Cammy. I see that a little bit of this is messed up, so I'm going to move it down. And then it's about how I want it. I know this picture is blurry, but a thumbnail is small, so no big deal. It will look fine as long as we see the main parts. So then I'm just going to title it the date that I'm going to be planning on uploading this, which is going to be, let's check the calendar, the 24th. So you guys should be seeing this on the 24th. And I'm just going to download it. Once it's uploaded, as you can see, I'm going to go back over to YouTube, upload thumbnail, and then click, select it, and then I'm done. I've already done tags and everything, description, so I'm just going to go on and schedule it for you guys to be able to watch it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click upload when I'm done. That's schedule. That's how I make my YouTube thumbnails. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and check the links down in the description. Bye. Whoops, blooper. I accidentally scheduled this on the wrong date. I was thinking of the date that I'm going to be uploading this video I'm recording now, but I'm actually going to be uploading this one on the 17th. So you guys will see this video on the 17th and the one that you're watching now on the 24th.